right, first of all, it is Christmas Day, so let me see your holiday dance. Let me see your, hey. Hey. Man, celebrate yourself. Celebrate your family. Celebrate all the accomplishments. Number one, Merry Christmas. Man, it is Christmas Day. It is Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas to you. And let me start by telling you, I have the utmost respect for everyone, literally for all of you who done showed your boy some love. Whether you done liked the video, watched the video, shared, commented, subscribed, donated, super thanks and super chats. I am going to release my channel memberships. So if you would like to continue to show support, I'll have 2 different levels. I'll talk about that another time. But Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Look, in today's video, I'm going to go over the Rare Air series. Now, the only Rare Air that I don't have is the woman's Cinnabar. It was a Rare Air 1, the Air Jordan 1, that I did not cop. But other than that, stay tuned. And also, I also picked up 4 of the Rare Air shirts. So I will show those shirts off to you as well. Let's go. All right, for first, starting with the shirts. The shirts have Jordan Air and then Nike Air in the back. It has that reverse on the wings logo there. Kind of dope. And it also kind of simulates like that cracked leather. So you can see it right there in the shirt. So let's go ahead and start with the Air Jordan 1 Rare Air. Here goes the shoe. You guys know what the shoe is. And what I like about this shoe in particular is right here on the black, as you can see right here, this swoosh fades away. So yes, we have that fadeaway paint. You can see I went ahead and actually touched this pair right here with an eraser. This is one of those kicks that I doubled up on just because, number one, the Air Jordan 1s are my favorite silhouette. And I wanted to wear a swoosh. And here you can see I kind of did like a gradient style. I didn't wear it all the way away, all the way around. But you can see I faded away the swoosh. Has that fadeaway paint similar to the Air Jordan 1 self-expressions. Make sure you check out my video because you'll be able to see how I cooked. I cooked this pair, but you'll be able to see. But this box right here, shout out to Nike and the Jordan brand with this box because this box really does have a similar hit. It gives you like that antique, that vintage look, you know, as if like the box has been stored away and found, almost like it's been lost and found. And you got it. It has a box similar to the Lost and Founds, combined with some other Jordans that we did receive. The Air Jordan 1, the UNC 1s, has a similar box. So I like the way they gave us like that vintage theme right along with this kick. Let me know what you guys think about the Air Jordan 1. And at the end, I'm going to rank all of these and give you my favorites. Stick with me. I also had to add in there, since this has the Wings logo, I didn't put this in the video, but here we have Nike Air and then we have Air Jordan. And that's right there on the Wings logo, if you can catch that. So on the opposite shoe, we have Nike Air and the Air Jordan, just like how they gave it to us on the shirt. I had to add that in there real quick. All right, let's go. All right, now staying true to the theme, Nike and Jordan brand went ahead and gave us the Air Jordan 3 Rare Air. Air Jordan 3 Rare Air came with this box with the face on the box. Now they did keep the same box between the 3s and the 4s. The difference is with the 3s on the inside, we have that elephant print tissue paper. Other than that, the box is exactly the same. But let's take a look at the Rare Air 3. Now, with the 3s in particular, you see the colors that we have there. And then they went ahead and hooked us up. Yes, they hooked us up with that reverse Nike Air on the back side there. So boom, you see it. We have that Nike Air right there in reverse. And let me tell you, what a nice little twist with this kick right here. Did you cop the Rare Air 3s? This is pretty nice. This is pretty nice. I like this kick. Primarily a black kick. No elephant print, ironically, on this particular shoe. But I said this before, this shoe is actually so nice. This could have been a collab. Hey, comment down below and let me know what you think. All right. And moving right on along to the Air Jordan 4, you see the box. We have the face on there, just like how we had the face on the Air Jordan 3. On the inside, instead of the elephant print tissue paper, we have the splatter print paper. Other than that, everything else is exactly the same. But let's take a look at the Air Jordan 4, the Rare Airs. Now, me personally, I like this shoe. I know some people passed on it. Some people didn't like it, some people passed on it. I wanted to collect like the whole series, and I actually like this shoe. You see we had that nice blue hang tag there. Nike Air on the back. You see the different color pods on the outside. Look at the front there. Nice little nubuck action. And then we have the removable patch. So one of the Easter eggs that they did here, you see the color of my Jordan Rare Air there. They did come. It's almost like the golden ticket. Some of that lettering was written in gold. But I do like the nice little hidden little features that they have on this particular kick. Let me know if you like the Rare Air 4s. And speaking of Rare Airs, even though I didn't really want to include this into my list, we still technically have to put the undefeated 4s into the conversation because it has that removable patch as well. But hey, these joints right here are actually pretty nice. Let's see if I can get a flip. Hey, let's go. All right. Now we made it down to the very end. Last but most certainly not least is going to be the Rare Air 11s. And take a look at the box here. This is the box, and this box looks extremely familiar because this is the same box that we had that's similar to the Gamma 11s, which are known as the Holiday 11s. But I will submit to you that both of these shoes right here can kind of be known as the Holiday 11s. Take a look at those laces right there. Did a mild little lace swap, kind of went with a darker blue. But these right here could be known as the Holiday 11s. Now, a difference between this box is with the Gamma box, you see that we have solid colors all the way through. And obviously on the inside, when we flip up that lid there, we have the 23 along with the Jumpman. However, nice little twist. We also have that Gamma blue nose hole. Yes. Well, we have a white nose hole. Yeah, no, that smells amazing. But when we take a look here, we have blue all the way around, and then they switched it up for us. They went ahead and gave us a red tray. So when you open up the top here, now with that 23, you have that red jump. It's a nice little twist. So I'm definitely here for the presentation. But let's take a look at this kick. Now, we have a couple of different silhouettes that have had this Jordan right here on the eyelets there. You see the Jordan? The Jubilees definitely have it as well. But there are a couple of different Jordan pairs that actually have that written there. This Rare Air series, actually, I'm not going to lie, I like the concept. I wonder if they're going to keep this going for 2026. Now, this year in 2025 is the 40th anniversary, so I do understand why we've had a certain amount of kicks here. But look, 2025 was definitely not anything to sleep on. Now, let's go ahead and get into my rating of which one is the best out of this entire series. So just go ahead and just tap that like button, comment down below, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate. If you're having fun on Christmas Day, no matter what you're doing, right? You might even be working like me, because I got to work today, but it's okay. I'm grateful. So if you're having fun, tap that like button. Now, I will not continue on without showing the undefeated 4s. I mean, look, beautiful shoe, 20 years in the making. This is considered the Rare Air as well. But to be fair of our sneakers today, I am not going to include this beauty into this list. So putting that aside, I'm going to start with my least favorite, and I'm going to get down to my favorite pair throughout this Rare Air series, excluding the Cinnabar pair. But my least favorite, coming in at number 4, is going to be the Air Jordan 1. Now, I love this shoe. I doubled up on them because I wear them a lot, but this is my least favorite. Now, the next one, this might be a little controversial take. Coming in at number 3 is going to be the Rare Air 3. Now, I love Jordan 3s. I love Jordan 3s. That reverse Nike Air on the back there was a beautiful touch. I mean, like chef's kiss to that back part. But let me tell you one of my complaints. One of my legit complaints is actually the blue that they used on the Red Air 3. For some weird reason, they didn't give us the same color blue. They didn't. So it kind of took some points away. But I do like the way this shoe is set up. Like I said, it's so nice. This could be a collaboration. Well, coming in at number 2 is going to be the Air Jordan 4 Rare Air. Yes, this is my second favorite, and I think y'all already know. The big dog, the top dog. Yes, it's not just about Gamma 11s. It's not just about Gamma 11. The Rare Air 11s actually look better in person than what they did on pictures. I remember when I first seen this shoe, I was like, I was at number one. I was going to cop it anyway because I wanted to complete the pack. But when I got this shoe in hand, oh, yes, it was actually nicer than the pictures that I've seen. Look, thanks for tapping in. It's always love in this end. Shout out to everybody who's been showing love, man. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and we are out for sure. It's always love in this end.